Hey guys, what is up? It is me again. So I just want to tell you what happened. So I was recording this. I'm trying to re-record because it messed up. Okay, so anyway guys, I want to let you know that in the last episode, as you know, we made a pizza place. And, my last, 3 recordings for this video failed. And this is the 4th one, and it's gonna go well. So, basically, this girl, literally, you guys won't believe what happened. This girl just, I was like, guys, come get pizza. These 3 girls gathered up, fighting with each other, and I'm like, hey, does anybody want to buy pizza? And she's like, let's trade unis. And I'm like, maybe? And then she's like, she gave me a normal unicorn, and then she showed me, a ride unicorn, and I'm just like, you have a lot of unicorns, ma'am. That is, kind of crazy, but, oh, Leo, would you like to buy a pizza?
No.
Why?
Okay, I buy one.
Okay, don't go in that room. It's staff only. What kind of pizza? Okay, I'll go get you a pepperoni pizza. Okay, let's get my brother a nice, fresh pepperoni pizza.
Can I go upstairs?
Sure. Do you want an extra donut with it?
No.
Are you sure? Because the donuts are free this week. Let's stop editing. But the girl also tipped me literally $80. $80 for, just for a pizza. She gave me $81, basically. She's super nice, so I friended her. So, by the way, guys, shout out to Cuddle Nuts. Let me show you her username. Where is she? Anna Banana, did you just fart?
Come on, are you gonna give me a pizza or no?
Oh yeah, I will give you your pizza, sorry. Okay. From hand. Okay, there you go. Your pizza. You can have a seat if you want. Look. There's seating with a table here. Thanks, Leo. You can have a seat now. Would you like the light on or off?
On.
Okay. But so this girl literally, paid the company $1 for the original pizza, and then she was like, I'll give extra tip too. And she gave $80, and I got $81. So then I was able to, afford the donut machine and the stuff. Now I just gotta get the donut cooker.
I was about to call it staff only, but I didn't.
Here. And so guys, let me show you, I bought this little wooden drawing board, and I put staff only, do not enter, because stop paying me so much money. All my customers pay way too much money. It's literally, stop, you're paying me too much. But I do need $400 so I can, I can, but whatever. Okay. Come to Cats, Pizza. Come to Cats Pizza. You paid me $66! Leo, stop paying me $66. By the way, guys, my name is Cat, actually. That is my new name, basically, for YouTube. That is my YouTube identity. You guys know what I look like. You guys know what I sound like. You guys know, what basically my name is. I'm gonna say come to Cat's Pizza. Buy TW2 PIZZ pizzas for $2 $2 for $2. Man. Pizza. No, I said it wrong. Pizza for $1. Pizza for $1. And so, guys, if you're wondering what happened in the last Adopt Me episode, that actually wasn't like planned out. That wasn't a role play. That was a legitimate attempt of scam. This girl actually attempted to scam me out of some of my cool things. She thought that I had Robux, and Leo, you can stop paying me. Like, it's $461. I can get literally the whole donut shop now. You literally paid me like 300 something Adopt Me bucks. That is absolutely crazy for just one pepperoni pizza. In real life. Well, thank you, but that's too much. That is way too much. Oh my god. You know what?
So you gonna buy a donut shop?
Well, I'm gonna buy the donut oven. So now, guess what? IW donut cooker. Do you want to be a staff so you can like buy and like sell?
Coming in.
Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is crazy. I thought this recording was going to be at least maybe 15 minutes currently.
I know how to use any of this.
You just got to grab a donut and do some stuff. But it's fine. I'll make the donuts and stuff. You can just like buy them and everything. So here's the donut spot that I'm going to use. And here's the pizza spot that I'm going to have. Okay, so I'm going to make some donuts so that way I can like hold the donuts out and say like, hey, donuts. Oh, well yeah, people are starting to get their shadow dragons. You know what? Today I'm going to actually buy a shadow dragon because that's what I need to do.
And an alligator, rhino, penguin.
Let's see what they're trying to give you.
Oh,
No. Don't accept that trade. Or maybe they will actually accept that trade. But I don't know. They're gonna decline. Yeah, sorry, little brother. Okay, sorry guys. I'm with my brother right. I don't know.
A sloth? Oh, my man was here.
Okay, but so anyway, guys. As you can see, and by the way, if you're wondering why I put BB Anna, that's because my friend forced me to call her Anna Banana. But so now I'm gonna say donuts for $1. Like, come buy a donut for $1. Donuts for $1. For $1 DOLLER.
I just found a YouTuber.
Donuts for.
I think I just found a YouTuber.
Come buy some donuts for $1. Come buy some donuts for $1. Donuts for only $1.
This is a jungle pet. You should accept. Please do so.
Man, no one is buying donuts. I'll just eat this myself. People will be missing out. And for now, guys, the donut shop will be closed for just a second. We're gonna go to this house.
There's 2 people with flying pets and they want a dragon.
Well, that's not okay. Just tell them no. Go away. You can come to my house.
And your house is a pizza shop.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm in front of my house.
I don't know where you make neon pets. I just want to go there.
To look around?
To see how it is right now.
Okay, so guys, No one seems to be buying my donuts and stuff. Donuts and things. Can we buy like plates so we can like put stuff on plates? The unicorn, keeper of evil, Leo. Okay, wait.
Wait, your unicorn is here right now.
Yeah, we have 2 unicorns. They're like complete opposites though. You know? Okay, Leo, so what I want you to do, okay, try grabbing a donut. Grab a donut. Bake donut. Wait for it to finish.
Yeah?
So wait for the donut to finish.
Okay, put it in. Put it in.
Okay, so you get the donut and now you add the icing. You just click on the chocolate icing machine. So, yeah, I guess we have a worker now.
I'm eating a donut now. I'm eating it.
Yay, good job.
I did it. It's
But,
chocolate now.
okay, let me see, guys. Hi. Wanna buy donuts or P-I-Z-Z-A. Wanna buy donuts or pizza?
Don't pay anymore.
Leo, I'm gonna have to lock the door for a minute. I'm locking those people out. Okay, you can come in now, Leo. I'm sorry, but these girls.
What?
I don't know. Leo, if anybody comes in, make sure that they're kind of like confused and make sure that they don't mess the room up or come in the staff only place. Okay? You just, okay, Leo, can you protect the area and I'll, like do the stuff? Okay. But anyway, guys, I think that's gonna have to end it off for, today's episode anyways.